This video shows how to replace a memory module on an Inspiron 14 Plus 7420. Before you begin, create a recovery drive and back up all data before removing the memory modules. To enter service mode, press and hold the B key on the keyboard, and then press the power button. Now, the computer will boot up and the owner tag information is displayed on the screen. Press any key to proceed. The computer will emit 3 short beeps and shut down. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the computer. To begin, loosen the 2 captive screws that secure the base cover to the palm rest and keyboard assembly. Then, remove the 5 screws that also secure the base cover to the assembly. Using a plastic scribe, pry the base cover from the top left at the hinge, and then continue to work on the sides to open the base cover. Then, slide and lift the base cover off the palm rest and keyboard assembly. Note, the steps that follow are applicable for both memory module slots on the system board. To remove a memory module, lift the Mylar to access the memory module. Then, using your fingertips, carefully pry apart the securing clips on each end of the memory module slot until the memory module pops up. Remove the memory module from the slot on the system board. To install the memory module, lift the Mylar to access the memory module slot. Align the notch on the memory module with the tab on the slot on the system board. Slide the memory module into the slot on the system board and press down on the memory module until the securing clips click, locking the memory modules in place. Then, press the Mylar back over the memory module. Next, place and snap the base cover into place on the palm rest and keyboard assembly. Tighten the 2 captive screws on the base cover, and replace the 5 screws that secure the base cover to the palm rest and keyboard assembly. Finally, connect the power adapter and press the power button to power on the computer and exit from service mode. Note, the computer will only turn on if the power adapter is connected. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/support.